Now we have Taenia versicolor and Malassezia furfur. So it's one of the cutaneous fungi. What they do is they mainly affect the stratum granulosum, which is the stratum corneum. As you can see, corn present here. So it's going to affect the very superficial layer, stratum corneum. What it does is that it actually produces the enzyme lipase, which is going to degrade the lipids which are present within the cell membrane. So what happens is कि आपके पास क्या होगा जब ये lipids को degrade कर देगा, along with that acid is produced. That acid actually inactivates the melanocytes, and melanocytes are destroyed. Because of that, what happens is कि hyper and hyperpigmented regions हमारे पास आ जाते हैं स्किन के ऊपर. So along with that, those hyperpigmented or hypopigmented, this white is representing hypo and this red is representing the hyperpigmented region. What it does is कि वो non itchy होते हैं. ठीक है. अब these are mainly seen in people who actually end up getting tan, and along with that, one of the most important factors is कि ये हमारे पास hot and humid environment में नजर आते हैं. MCQs में they're going to give certain aspects, just for example hot humid environment, फिर probably non-itchy lesions, hyperpigmented lesions, and then there are also scaly plaques which are formed. What happens is कि when they're seen under microscopic examination, remember one thing कि जब भी fungi के अंदर आप microscopic examination करते हो तो it should be done in 10% potassium hydroxide. What it does is कि जो human cells होते हैं they end up getting dissolved and only fungi cells are well appreciated. अब उसमें appearance होती है spaghetti meatball appearance. Spaghetti meatballs appearance होगी आपके पास, spaghetti meatball appearance होगी. Meatball is going to represent the yeast. ये क्या करे रिप्रेजेंट करे यीस्ट को, एंड स्पेगेटी इज गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट दी हाइफी. हाइफी क्या होते हैं लंबे से लॉन्ग फिलामेंटस होते हैं, तो दे आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट हाइफी. अलॉन्ग विद दैट, one of the most important thing is कि neonates who are actually totally depending on the perineal infusion, which is कि catheter से उनको food access हो रहा होता है, they end up getting affected. और उसमें दो चीज़ होती हैं, sepsis होती है and thrombocytopenia होती है. And if अगर for example you're not able to remember the name Malassezia furfur, you can remember this lady wearing a fur referred as Malassezia furfur. Along with that, ये हमारे पास जो होता है selenium sulfide. Selenium sulfide क्या करता है, it's going to actually shed off the stratum corneum layer जो हमारे पास affected थी. It's going to shed off and a new layer would be formed. तो अगर MCQ में they can also even ask the treatment for it, which is selenium sulfide. So yeah, this is